baby? Oh, wait. Oh, well, let's see if there's anybody on this boat. I don't think there's anybody on this boat. We're going on another bridge.
No.
Yeah, there's some people on that boat. Wave to them. He saw you.
Yeah, one did.
Uh-oh, we're getting some turbulent water here, mate. Here comes a horsey on the other side.
Where?
Up here, coming under that bridge.
I can wave at it.
Ahoy, matey. Yes, there is camcorder in the boat. Here, we walked over here yesterday, didn't we? This is the Port Orleans, French Quarter.
It's a great
Yeah, and you played yesterday in the playground.
Are you gonna see it? Are you gonna see it?
We are now into the French Quarter section of Port Orleans. The French Quarter then is right around the corner. We're about a
If I
minute
do, I'll
away,
be
but
preferred.
we will not be stopping there. We're going straight to Disney Springs.
You hear me? I want one of these back rooms when you're not crippled.
There aren't elevators for guests to use, are there? Well, we haven't found in our building.
I see some people there.
Yeah, they waiting for the bus, baby.
No, the boat.
The boat, you're right. I misspoke.
Wait, that's
Still got the alligator slot.
Yeah.
Are they redoing it?
Yeah, they still, I took those pictures, put them on Facebook. They still had the alligator out there in the middle and everything.
All right, guys, on our right is the pool here at French Quarter. It's I think it's considered the main pool for the two resorts. Now that's King Triton sitting on top of his favorite sea serpent there. Here's a slide out of the mouth of the sea serpent. And in the back left is a waterfall kind of thing for the kids. That's fairly new. It was just put in this past winter or beginning of summer. Keep your eye on it there. It ought to be dumping out here pretty soon. There it goes.
Ariel's dad.
Oh, we're gonna miss it. Oh well.
Or do you watch a video on this? It's gonna be closed by the time I get back, honey.
I went around that room right there in building 2, bottom floor, water view. Actually, I think I'd rather have one that's over here in the corner.
What are you saying? That is inappropriate. You
location. No phone, no video games, no nothing. And you sit right here with me and see these people play golf up here.
We're gonna pass it.
We are going to pass them, aren't we?
What way are you gonna go? That way or this way?
Which way you want to go?
That way.
No, we're going to the right.
That way?
Yep,
Or that way?
to the right. But that is a golf course.
We're gonna go that way. I know.
We're not going to go under that bridge.
Why?
You're going to see some little cottages up in the woods in a minute.
Daddy, stop.
I got you.
Fine.
Oh, there's some buses over there.
I can wave at them.
Where are the buses? Oh, we're going right underneath this bridge where this bus is at. Look, that bus is going to the animal kingdom. Uh-oh, now we're entering the second level of the dungeon. This is the forest part of the dungeon. What do you think we'll see? Uh-oh, look up in there. There's some wilderness. Some campsite. That's where the boss is at.
The
Look,
ball.
right there. You see him up in there?
Yeah.
That's where we need to stay right there. Walk down here for this. Oh, get ready to wave to these people.
Nobody not on it. They nobody.
There's some people on it, baby.
I want to see one plus. One plus.
No, there's more than one person. See that little girl, she waved back at you. Who did?
So I think they do use them again, so it's not
Do they still use those treehouse villas?
I think something about that particular one or another right?
I guess, I don't know. Oh, here comes another boat.
They're occupied.
They have people.
So they can run down.
Well, they rebuilt them.
There, nobody owns that boat.
Yeah, there is. There's some people on that boat.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
They don't use the treehouse villas anymore.
Got all the people. Ow!
I got you.
Foot is red.
All right, this dock we just passed is the Treehouse dock. It services the Saratoga Treehouse Villas. That's all the buildings you've sort of been seeing on the left side of the boat. You get a real good look at a Treehouse Villa when we go around this next bend here. The Treehouse Villas is one of two parts of the Saratoga complex. There's another section, we'll be into that in just a little bit, called Saratoga Springs. The entire complex is part of the Vacation Club.
By the
Are you hungry?
no team quarters.
Aiden?
No.
Stop. I'm trying to look, get this building. So that would be awesome to stay up in that building, wouldn't it? See, there's somebody up there.
I guess it just looks, I guess it's made
Daddy. No team quarters.
You just watch and set up.
Sit up, baby.
No camp quarters.
Stop.
It said no camp
for him.
Where?
He's hidden. You gotta find him. Uh-oh, we're going underneath this bridge. There's a dog underneath it.
Where?
What is that underneath the bridge over there, baby? Oh, it's a pipe.
Where?
Right there.